Did you know that simply tagging your customers' quiz answers can boost your sales by up to 24% in just 1 month? It's true. By using customer tags and product quizzes, you can send laser-targeted emails that feel personal and increase conversions. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this strategy to transform your product recommendation quizzes into powerful sales tools. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are customer tags, and why should you care? Well, customer tags are little identifiers you attach to quiz responses to group your customers based on their preferences. Think of them as secret weapons that let you deliver personalized marketing on autopilot. And the best part? Targeted email campaigns are 18 times more effective than blasting the same email to everyone. Alright, let's break it down. If you're using the Shop Quiz Product Recommendation Quiz app, adding customer tags is a breeze. You just head over to the Customer Tags section, type in your tag, like curly hair or frizz control, and link it to a quiz answer. Easy, right? And you can add as many tags as you need to each choice. This flexibility lets you get super specific with your segments. Whether it's hair type, skin concerns, or style preferences, you can tailor your tags to your products and customers. Next up, let's connect your quiz to a CRM platform. Once your quiz is live, those tags are automatically synced with your email solution. Why is this so powerful? Because now, your email platform knows exactly who each customer is and what they want. You can create segments based on those tags to target customers with precision. For example, you can create segments for curly hair, dry hair, or volume seekers, and start sending personalized campaigns right away. Now, this is where the magic happens. Creating your email campaigns. Imagine you've got a segment tagged with curly hair. You're sending them emails about curl-enhancing products, styling tips, and even exclusive offers just for them. This is where personalization makes your customers feel like you really get them. Whether it's dry hair, frizz control, or volume, you're delivering exactly what they're looking for, and that's what keeps them opening, clicking, and buying. Don't forget, monitoring the performance of these campaigns is crucial. Track your open rates, clicks, and sales conversions in your CRM platform, and use that data to fine-tune your strategy. The more you learn, the better your results will be. And here's a pro tip. Every quarter, do a full review of your tags and segments. Make sure they're still relevant, update them based on trends, and keep testing new ideas. This constant refinement will keep your marketing fresh and your customers engaged. So, by now, you can see just how powerful customer tags can be in your product quizzes. It's not just about gathering emails, it's about delivering a personalized experience that drives real results. If you want even more strategies to boost your sales, head over to revenuehunt.com/blog, where we share tons of tips and insights to help your e-commerce store grow.